There is something you asked Allah for once, maybe months ago, maybe years ago, with real sincerity, real hope, real tears even. And somewhere along the way, without even noticing when it happened, you stopped believing it would ever come. You didn't stop asking out loud. You just quietly stopped, expecting an answer. I need you to remember that prayer for the next few minutes, because what I'm about to say might change how you're carrying it. You didn't wake up one day and decide Allah wasn't going to answer you. It happens slower than that. First, it was a small disappointment, then a longer wait than you expected, then another prayer that felt unanswered, until eventually you weren't consciously giving up. You were just quietly protecting yourself from more disappointment by expecting less. That's not a loss of faith you chose. That's exhaustion disguised as acceptance, and it's worth noticing the difference. You may have forgotten the exact words you used that day, the specific dua, the specific desperation in your voice. But Allah hasn't forgotten a single detail of it, not the sincerity, not the tears, not the hope you had before disappointment taught you to guard yourself. The request didn't expire just because your belief in it dimmed. It's still sitting exactly where you left it, fully intact, waiting on a timeline you were never given access to. Here's what matters most. Your doubt doesn't erase your original request. A prayer made sincerely once doesn't disappear the moment you stop believing in it. You're not required to maintain perfect, unwavering faith every single day for Allah, to still be working on what you asked for. He's not waiting for your certainty to act. He's already moving, whether your hope caught up to it today or not. You don't need renewed, perfect faith to bring that dua back to Allah tonight. You can say it exactly as it is. I asked you for this once, and honestly, I stopped believing it would come, but I'm still asking. That kind of honesty is worth more than pretending your faith never wavered. Bring the doubt with you. He can handle it. Whatever you asked for once and quietly gave up on it hasn't been forgotten. Even if your hope has faded, comment, I remember, if a specific dua just came to mind. And if someone you know has stopped believing their prayer will be answered, send this to them. Allah Hafiz.